Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make text bold in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea. After starting Photopea, we can go to New Project to create a new project. I will choose YouTube thumbnail and then click Create to create a new project. Next, we can press Ctrl 0 to view it, and then we can go to left, we can find type 2, click and hold, we can choose type 2 here, and then click on artboard. Next, we can type, for example, I type make text bold. This is quite small. I press Ctrl A to select all, and then we can go to size and increase the size here. I want to move it here. Next, if we want to make bold, for example, I want to make EOLD bold only, so we can go to type 2, and then we can select bold, and go to the top option bar, we can choose bold for the text. Click it, and then we can click the type 2 to fill the bold text. So this is how we can make text bold in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.